How to level up and increase mastery rank in First Descendant game application. In this video, I will show you how can you easily increase your mastery rank on First Descendant application. So without any delay, let's get into it. So the best way to increase mastery EXP in the First Descendant is by leveling up your weapon proficiency. This is done automatically when using a weapon and caps out at level 40. Each weapon has its own weapon proficiency, and with the 3 types of weapon occupied at one time, this is a pretty quick way to get Mastery EXP. Other ways of earning the Mastery EXP in the First Descendant include increasing the Descendant level only if you don't have any socket type assigned to any module slots. Now the next one is to complete the missions, first time bonus only. So that's it. By following all this step in your game application First Descendant, you will be able to increase your mastery rank. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.